The outer ear functions to funnel sound waves. The vibrations from these waves reach the middle ear and move the tympanic membrane, also called the eardrum. This causes three bones, called the auditory ossicles, to also move. The bones make contact with a fluid-filled structure in the inner ear called the cochlea. The mechanical movements of the auditory ossicles move fluid inside the cochlea. Fluid waves move hair cells that line the cochlea. The movement of these cells activates nervous system receptors. Signals are carried through the vestibulocochlear nerve, cranial nerve 8, to the temporal lobe of the brain, where they're interpreted as sound.